In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Wayfair seller account. If you're ready to sell your products on a major marketplace, this walkthrough will guide you from the very first click to the point where your application details are fully prepared. For the smoothest experience, use a desktop browser, have your official business details nearby, and make sure your internet connection is stable. To start, open your browser and go to wayfair.com. Confirm you're on the correct regional site for your business. If any pop-ups appear, close them so you can clearly see the home page. Scroll all the way down to the footer. You're looking for the link that says Sell on Wayfair. The footer is the fastest path to the supplier information page, and it's updated with the latest program details. If you don't see it right away, give the page a second to finish loading. Click Sell on Wayfair. This takes you to a page outlining how the supplier program works, including eligibility and benefits. Take a quick moment to skim the requirements so you know what information you'll be asked to provide. Next, click Apply. This will open the application flow. Depending on your browser, it might appear in a new tab. Keep the prior page open in case you want to refer back to it. On the application screen, click Get Started. Use a professional business email for reliable communication. Keeping all seller-related emails in one inbox will help you track updates. Now enter your business information. This typically includes your legal business name, business address, country, tax identification details such as VAT or a federal tax number if applicable, and primary contact details. Make sure the legal name matches your registration documents exactly. Avoid nicknames, shortenings, or typos. If you have a website or catalog link, add it where requested and ensure it's accessible. Continue with the additional information section here. You'll describe what you sell and how you fulfill orders. Expect questions about your product categories, your approximate catalog size, where you ship from, your average handling and shipping times, and whether you own the brands you sell or act as a reseller. Be precise and realistic. Accurate lead times and shipping capabilities set clear expectations and reduce future operational issues. Before you finish, review everything carefully. Double-check spelling, addresses, tax numbers, and links. Confirm that your business name and contact details are consistent across fields. If any figures such as lead times or units in stock are included, verify they're realistic. A careful review now prevents delays later. That's the full process from reaching Wayfair's site through preparing your application details. Follow these steps, keep your information consistent with official records, and you'll be well positioned for the next action on the page.